guys, today we're gonna make an onion painting. For that we need these colors and some brushes and one onion. We can use 2 onions also for the leaves and the petals. Now we will make a circle with yellow. 1, 2, 3. Done. The circle is done. I have put one dot in it. Now we will take the onion and color it red. 1, 2, 3. We have to do it like this. We have done like this. Now we will just print it up. I've done 3. This is the 4th one. It is not done yet, so we will just apply some more paint to it. Then this one is done. Now the last one. Like this, you have to press the onion. Now we will make some. This is done. Now we will make some closed flowers. Now I have brought a small onion. I will just press it here. Just like here. This will be the closed petal. Now we have done the small flowers. Now we will take some green and make the leaves. We'll make it like this. Like this. Press it. Now we will join the leaves. Like that. Now this flower has been finished. If you like this flower, this is the onion painting and this is also a onion painting. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye.